If you're an ISV with an AIOps or ITOM or big data solution who wants your customers to be able to get data from their entire landscape of IT tools into your product, this video is for you. But if you're an enterprise customer who's looking to use Streamweaver to integrate data sources, I recommend you watch the video that I put in below. So let's look at how easy it could be to get data from all these different IT sources into your product using Streamweaver. So this is the Streamweaver UI. We actually have the capability to customize this for an ISV. So it could have your logo, your colors, and actually it could be integrated into your product too. On the left, you can see some sources that I've set up already. On the right, you can see a destination. In your case, that would be your product or products. So here's my source, Dynatrace, which is monitoring an application. And here, we got our destination, which is Elastic. And you can see that it's got an empty index. The idea is to show the integration from beginning to end and data arriving in Elastic. There's nothing up my sleeve. This is a real integration that I'm showing you live. So at the moment, if you want to do an integration, you've got to research the APIs, you've got to write some code, you've got to make sure that code doesn't overload those source systems, and then if the ISV makes a change to their API, you've got to scramble and get an update out. But instead of doing that, let me show you how easy it could be to do it with Streamweaver. All I've got to do is click on the wizard. Then I choose my source. Again, Streamweaver knows all about the APIs, etc., and it knows how to collect the information, and it's going to do all of that for you. So I'm just going to enter the connection information that is stored securely and can be reused. So now we're connected to Dynatrace. It's gone ahead and it's collected all the information that you would normally have to collect by hand, all those things like the applications and metrics that you want to be able to select, and it's going to find those automatically, so you don't have to. As far as the destination goes, that would be just a selection of your products. So Streamweaver knows exactly what data is available from each data source, and also what data is applicable to each of your products. So all of this can be automatic. So here, we pre-select our default recommendations, so you don't have to have a deep knowledge of the source tools. But if you do want to make changes and filter down the information, we actually dynamically select data from the source tools to help you filter more easily. So now all you've got to do is click Save and Start. And that's it. Your integration is complete. But hold on a sec. I didn't prove to you it worked. So we're just going to quickly go back into Elastic. We're going to do a refresh. And here you can see data is arriving from Dynatrace. So in a couple of minutes, I've showed you integrating all the way from Dynatrace to Elastic. Imagine if it was that easy for your customers to integrate with you. If you're interested in Streamweaver, it's available on SaaS, AWS, or on-prem. You can start your trial at streamweaver.com or search for us on the AWS Marketplace.